Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a celebration of our Africa. Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a 7-day holiday honoring who we are.
Happy Kwanzaa! Kwanzaa is a holiday where we celebrate African heritage and values. On the first day of Kwanzaa, we celebrate Umoja. Umoja means unity, togetherness and community. So come and sing it out with me, Umoja. On the second day of Kwanzaa, we celebrate Kujichagulia. It means self-determination, cause you are a unique creation. So we're celebrating Kujichagulia.
Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a celebration of our Africa.
On the third day of Kwanzaa, we celebrate Ujima. Collective work and responsibility, like service to the community. So let's work as a team, Ujima.
Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a celebration of our Africa.
On the fourth day of Kwanzaa, we celebrate Ujama. Cooperative economics. Build a system where everybody profits, so everybody has some money in their pocket. Ujama! On the fifth day of Kwanzaa, we celebrate a principle called Nia. It means purpose, it means mission. It's the why, the bigger vision. So you'll bring your dreams to fruition with Nia.
Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a celebration of our Africa.
On the sixth day of Kwanzaa, we celebrate Kuumba. Kuumba means creativity, like music, arts, and poetry. So come and sing and dance with me, Kuumba. On the seventh day of Kwanzaa, the final principle is Imani. It means faith in a higher plan. Even when you are feeling sad, believe in yourself, we know you can. Imani.
Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a celebration of our Africa. Kwanzaa, 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 Kwanzaa. It's a 7-day holiday honoring who we are.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.